This might be the most important box that you forgot to check. Now that the voting is over, my question to you is, did you elect you? Did you select yourself? Did you vote for you to be the individual who steps up in your family? Did you vote for you to be the individual who takes full control of their finances? Did you vote for you to be the person that takes full control of their credit? Did you put your name on the list for yourself, spiritually, energetically, and physically? Because no matter who's in office, you have a responsibility. You have a duty to uphold. You are an individual who have been given the power to do certain things. We had the ability to choose for self. And if we don't participate in our own rescue, we can't expect somebody else to save us. So there are a lot of things, a lot of ways, a lot of people, a lot of resources, a lot of available tools out there that can help you get to where you're trying to go. You just have to tap in. You have to ask yourself, how can I solve this problem? How can I have the serenity to control the things that I have the ability to control, but still be able to accept the things that I cannot change and be able to pivot, be able to maneuver, be able to do what's necessary in order for me to still excel and do well in whatever the circumstances may be. So that's the thing that you got to understand. The true vote is you. Take that energy, all of those thoughts, and say, you know what? The same energy I put towards determining who was the rightful candidate based on whatever measures, principles, or rules or guidelines that you abide by, can I take that same accountability for myself? I'm holding this person to this standard and expecting them to do this or them to not do that. What can I do for self? See, that's what you got to understand. And when we answer that question as individuals and we govern ourselves, our own household, and understand that we're the president of our own households, for those of you who are old enough to understand that you are the president of your own household, now that's where true change happens. You see, imagine everybody taking their own responsibility to treat others the way that they're supposed to be treated, to do right in their area, to elevate their mindset and become better, become healthier, become somebody who contributes versus somebody who's just always seeking for a handout. Imagine everybody takes that mentality. Now you position yourself to make the world a better place, all because you started with you. So my question to you is, did you vote for yourself? And it's not too late. Every day is an opportunity to vote for yourself. You always have a chance to vote for you. See, you don't have to wait every 4 years. You don't have to wait every 2 years. The primaries and all of these things that people have to do when it comes to the political landscape. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait every year. You don't have to wait every month. You don't have to wait for the new year. You can wake up and decide to vote for yourself each and every day. Ask yourself the right questions. What can I do about this situation? If it's a situation you dislike, ask yourself, how can you adjust or view it from the right perspective that positions you to take the right actions? Ask yourself, if it's something that you do like, how can I get more of this? And am I taking a step back and being grateful for the things that I do like as well? Ask yourself these questions, and it'll lead you down the path of discovery of unfolding and possibilities and tapping into your own capabilities. But specifically, I want you to take full control and responsibility for what you have the ability to control, and then understand that you have that God power and you have that ability to do certain things based on what's already been embedded in you. So, did you take a vote for yourself? And if so, then let me know. And if not, it's never too late. Take full control of your finances. And if you want to take full control of your credit, I got some free tools down below. But I just had to share that because a lot of people put a lot of energy towards who they wanted to vote for, who their favorite candidate was, or some people just chose to say, you know what, I'm not going to vote at all. And that's respect as well. Some people say, you know what, it's not that important. I don't believe in the political system. I respect that as well. But through it all, whether you chose to vote, not to vote, who to vote, you got to vote for yourself. You got to vote for yourself, because that's where the magic happens. Salute.